What's up, Amazon champions? Welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can design and create your own logo for under $25. So whether you're starting your own Amazon business or you're starting your own clothing line, whatever you need, this is the perfect solution for you that is not going to break your bank account. So we're going to dive right into it, and I'm going to show you how you can do it using Freelancer.com. This is by far the easiest platform to go in and design and start a contest and get professional entries of a customizable logo that is tailored to your needs. So create an account, upload your payments, and start a contest. Right here, it's just going to ask for the basic information, tell us more about your contest, and describe your contest in detail. So depending on what you want to see in your logo, you're going to describe it right here. And then maybe you have drawn your logo, you can add files, and then the freelancers will read this description, and depending on what you are describing, they're going to custom tailor a logo to your needs. Then right here, you go to what's your budget, and you can go from $10 to over $1,500. I recommend going in and doing a $20 logo. You're going to get around 30 entries, but every time that I've done it for 20 or 25 bucks, I've gotten more than 30 entries, and I'm going to show you. Then right here, you can decide if you want to get featured or the top contest. I would not pay for that. Then you hit get entries now, and little by little, freelancers will start uploading the logo, and you can go in and see which one you like best. I'm going to show you guys now a few of the contests that I have run and show you the past entries and how many entries have been submitted. So I'm going to go to my projects. And then I'm going to go to past contests. Click on it, and it's going to show you that I've done 3 of them, the price that I paid, how many entries, and the contest name. So right here, I paid 25 bucks a year ago. I got 165 entries that I went through and I was able to pick from. Once I pick it, then the freelancer uploads the files, and then they get transferred into my name, and then that is my logo. You can also request different color changes, whether there's a little piece that you want them to change. You can go in and have them customize it using the messages. So as you can see, I went back and forth 53 different messages with different freelancers. Then the next one was 6 days ago. I posted one for 25 bucks. I got 52 entries and that I got to go and pick from, and I only messaged the freelancer 3 different times. Then right here, 3 days ago, I paid 20 bucks and I got 124 entries. And this is for the logo for my Amazon course that I'm going to be launching here in the next couple weeks. So I'm super excited about it. And I'm going to show you the quality of the work that got submitted for my Amazon Champions logo. So right here, it's going to show the list of the different logos, and it's going to have stars, thumbs up, that you can go in and basically like the logos that you see, and then depending on if you like them, the freelancers will kind of take note of that and they will adjust accordingly. So as you can see, there's a very similar theme of how the logos look, and it's because I like this look, and so all the freelancers started adjusting to this theme, and they started customizing the logos to this look. So as you can see, this is going to be my Amazon Champion logo, which I'm super excited about. I awarded this freelancer, it paid him 20 bucks, and I got all the files, and it was as simple as that. So please feel free to use this technique to help you design your own logo. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, because I'm going to be showing you tips and hacks to how to grow a successful Amazon FBA business. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you tomorrow.